Approach Southwest 3673, 107, descending via with Lima.
Southwest 3673, NorCal approach, San Jose altimeter is 2990, reduce speed 230.
Reduce speed 230, Southwest 3673.
Southwest 3673 at Clyde, cleared ILS, right trees left approach, reduce speed to 210.
Reduce speed 200 at Clyde, clear for the ILS 3 show left approach, Southwest 3673.
Southwest 3673, reduce speed to 160. Southwest 3673, contact San Jose Tower 124.0, let them know you're flowing.
Roger, Southwest 3673. San Jose Tower, Southwest 3673, ILS runway 30 left, and we're slowing to 160.
Southwest 3673, San Jose Tower, roger. Runway 30 left, clear to land number 2.
30 left, clear to land, Southwest 3673.
Southwest 3673, the global ahead has slowed down quite a bit. Maintain your slowest practical place.
Roger, 1 to final speed, 3673.
Southwest 3673, turn right at Kilo, cross running 30 right, traffic will hold, and contact ground.
Right for Kilo, crossing 30 right, and grounding at Southwest 3673. Southwest 3673, we're crossing Kilo, gate 21.
Southwest 3673, San Jose ground taxi, gate 21 via Yankee Hotel Zulu.
Yankee Hotel.
On behalf of this flight crew and all of us here at Southwest Airlines, welcome to San Jose. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, all of your carrying items stowed until we come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once he does, please be careful when opening up the overhead bins. Items tend to shift during flight, they could fall out. If you're making a connection here in San Jose, exit up to the terminal, double check the monitors for the most up-to-date flight and gate information. This is the termination of the flight number, folks, which means everyone will be getting off here. Please take a moment to double check your surroundings and make sure you have all of your belongings with you. Once you step off the aircraft, we cannot allow you back on to retrieve anything that you might have left behind. Please note that our service doors in the front and back of the aircraft will be open for ground servicing. For the safety of you and any children that you may be supervising, please remain clear of those front and back doors. Make sure to exit out of the same door that you entered through. It's been our pleasure having you folks on board today. We know you have many choices when you fly. We do thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Enjoy the rest of the day. Have a great week coming up. We look forward to seeing you folks again real soon. Welcome to San Jose.